Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. First off, I want to thank all my long-term subscribers to the channel, and then I want to thank all my new subscribers too. Thank y'all for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. On today's video, since it's starting to turn colder down here in Louisiana, I want to go ahead and do a Texas-inspired Louisiana chili. Since I don't subscribe to no beans in my chili, I ain't having none of that. We're going to go ahead and do a proper chili. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, this smells so good. Go ahead and take a little bowl of it. Close it back up. Top it off with some cheese. And there we have it. All right, going in for the taste test. Definitely very meaty. Very nice bite. Nice level of heat between that Tabasco starter chili set we used and the Uncle Steve's cow cover and pig cover, along with the jalapeno that we put in there. If you can't get the Tabasco starter chili, it's okay. Just put an extra couple of jalapenos in there. And another jar of tomato sauce. But overall, very nice. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.